Hey guys, welcome to Top 1%. In today's video, I have an absolutely delicious recipe for you, that is paneer tikka with vegetables. And I have two different variations of this very recipe. One is the regular variation and the second one is the low calorie variation. In case you're on a stricter diet, you can take a look at this calorie and macronutrient breakdown and make an informed decision as to which one suits you better. Alright, and if you want to see more such quality recipes, right up here. After this video, do watch it. And also I want to let you know I'm making an announcement that this is my 95th video on the YouTube channel, and for my 100th video I'm planning something special. I'm planning to do a Q&A session wherein I answer all of your questions. Anything that you want about training, about diet, about life in general, anything you want to ask me, please do let me know. Write down in the comment section below, or you can DM me on Instagram to let me know what questions you have, or email me, whatever. Just let those questions keep coming, and without any further ado, let's get right into this delicious recipe right away. So now let me tell you about all the ingredients that you'll need. That is tomato, coriander or cilantro, onions, bell pepper or capsicum, and paneer. And instead of paneer, you can also use tofu, which is a good low calorie version of it because it contains less than half the calories and quite a lot of protein, so that's a good option. And all these vegetables, you can never go wrong with it. Vegetables contain very little calories, very high in vitamins and minerals, very high in fiber, so it keeps you full, it gives you all the nutrition that you need, so it's an amazing option. Okay, so chop these vegetables up. And another tip to reduce the caloric intake is, instead of using cooking oil or ghee, which contains 45 calories per teaspoon on average, you can use cooking spray, which contains absolutely no calories. So that's what I used in the low calorie recipe, and this is what it looks like once you cut it all up. And now we are ready to move on to the next step. Next up, it is time to cut up the paneer block into as many pieces as you need. I am cutting it into 8 pieces, that is 200 grams, because I am cooking for 2, but the actual serving size for one person is 100 grams. And now put some cooking oil or cooking spray onto the pan and put all the paneer over it. I am using salt and chili flakes to season it. You can also use chili powder, and just turn it around. Make sure you cook all the sides properly, and you want it to turn golden brown like you can see right here. And while this happens, put the vegetables in a microwave oven for 1 minute. The reason I'm doing this is I don't want the vegetables to be super crunchy. I want them a little bit soft. So just steam the vegetables in the oven for 1 minute or so, and you're good to go. You can skip this step if you like your vegetables more crunchy. And once you're done with it, take the vegetables and put it all over the frying pan, and just mix it, give it a good stir. Keep going until the onions turn about brownish. There's no rules here. You can stir it for as long as you want. It all depends on your taste. And now you know that the vegetables are well cooked and the meal is done. This is it. And trust me when I say it tastes a lot better than what it looks right here. And remember guys, eating healthy does not have to be painful. It does not have to be time consuming. It does not have to be expensive. All you need to do is understand the basics of nutrition and care enough about it to make a change, make a difference in your life. If you do that and you be consistent with the process, you'll get the results. It's just a matter of time. And also remember, you gotta comment down below what questions do you want me to answer for my 100th video, and hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you can get the notifications on time. And that's it, that's all I got for today's video. Until next time, take care, stay hungry.